up? I'm Oindrila and welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be trying out this look right here. So without further ado, let's begin today's video. So this is my face after I have done my skincare routine. The first step is to use a foundation. My foundation is the Clinique Even Better. I'm in the shade of Oat. One squeeze is all you need. Take a beauty blender to blend it out over your face. Now I will start applying it on my problematic areas where I have blemishes, active acne and so on. After which I'm going to spread it under my eye and all over my face. Take your time while you apply your foundation so that it blends well. After this, we take an old mascara brush and gently in upward diagonal motion, we are going to comb our eyebrows. Then I'm going to use the NYX Ultimate palette. This palette is the Phoenix palette. And I'm going to use this graphite color on my eyebrows. So first we're going to start by outlining the eyebrows and then gently we're going to fill it in. Take your time while doing the eyebrows. After that, we are going to use the NYX eyeliner. The NYX eyeliner is the vinyl liquid liner. The eyeliner, you can apply it as a winged eyeliner if you want, but I'm going to keep it simple. After that, we are using the Lakme Absolute Kohl Ultimate, the Gelato collection. This is in the shade 05 Lagoon. Now, the pigment is not a one swipe pigment, so you have to maybe apply 2-3 strokes depending on how dark you want the color to be. Now, Lagoon is a sky bluish color. The next one is my favorite step, mascara. I'm using the Volume Million Lashes, which I am sure all of you by now know is my favorite. I'm only going to apply it on my upper lashes and not on my lower lashes, as on my lower lashes, I'm going to use the old mascara brush that I had used over my eyebrows. You can also use a transparent mascara on the lower lash line. Now the only thing left is the lipstick. And today I'm going to be wearing L'Oreal Paris Le Matte, and this is in the shade 100 Matte for Me. I honestly love this shade. It's a very unique shade. It's a mix of, I think, mauve and pink. First we're going to outline our lips and then fill it in. The application also is super easy. It's not very messy. And it has a very matte finish to it. We are using the Makeup Fixer by Swiss Beauty. And here you go, voila, here is the final look. I hope you liked it. Until next time, plushes, loads of love. Bye.